Good morning, students. In the last lecture, we had seen the topic Shivaji's education. We had seen how he learned the different types of arts. So, today we are going to start with our new chapter, that is the Oath of Swaraj. So, see what is there in this lesson. The temple at Raireshwar. To the southwest of Pune, there is a beauty spot called Raireshwar, famous for its temple. देखो तो ये रायरेश्वर टेम्पल है. इट इज़ वेयर? इट इज़ इन द साउथ वेस्ट ऑफ पुणे. साउथ वेस्ट में है पुणे के. एंड देर इज़ अ ब्यूटी स्पॉट कॉल्ड रायरेश्वर, फेमस फॉर इट्स टेम्पल. वहाँ पे एक स्पॉट है. इट इज़ वेरी ब्यूटीफुल स्पॉट एंड दैट देयर इज़ वन टेम्पल. द टेम्पल नेम इज़ रायरेश्वर. In the year 1645, at extraordinary event took place there. एक इवेंट वहाँ पे हुआ in the year 1645. Which event it is? See, Shivaji and a few Maoras from neighboring valley had gathered there. Why had they come to this lovely spot hidden in deep forest? What did they discuss and what favor did they ask of Lord Shiva? So see, Shivaji and some Maoras were gathered over there in the neighboring valley. And क्यों वो वहाँ पे गैदर्ड हुए, उन्होंने क्या किया वहाँ पे, ये हम इस लेसन में देखने वाले हैं. देखो नेक्स्ट पॉइंट है द फियरी इलोक्वेंस ऑफ यंग शिवाजी. Fiery means like a hot, we can say agni-may, and one oath, they had take oath, शपथ उन्होंने वहाँ पे ली थी. क्या लिया है, कौन सी शपथ उन्होंने ली है, वो हम देखेंगे अभी. Shivaji was still quite young, but his mind was already busy planning big things. So Shivaji was very small, very age is not very, he is not aged one, he is young one, and his mind was already busy in planning big things. He is planning very big things. So he opened his mind to his playmates and said, "My dear friends, today I am going to talk to you about something which is in my mind for a long time." So who are there with him? Maoras. He is talking to them that all my dear friends, I am going to talk to you about something that is going on in my mind for a long time. My father Shahaji is a Sardar at the court of Bijapur. So my father Shahaji Raje was the Sardar in the court of Bijapur. It is he who has given me the charge of this जागीर. शाहजी राजे ने मुझे ये चार्ज दिया है इस जागीर का. Everything is going on well and peacefully, but friends, I am not happy. तो वो बोलते हैं कि all things are going well, but then also I am not happy. Why? Must we always remain satisfied as bondman of the Sultan? Must we always eat out of other people's hand? We are surrounded on all sides by foreign kingdoms, which are constantly at war. Our people get killed for nothing during these wars, and family after family gets uprooted. तो क्या हो रहा है, वो क्या बोलते हैं, उनके वो जो फ्रेंड्स है मावड़ास है, उनको बोलते हैं कि आई एम नॉट हैप्पी, मैं हैप्पी नहीं हूँ. क्यों? क्योंकि हम कब तक इन दूसरे लोगों के हाथ के नीचे काम करेंगे, दूसरों ने दिया हुआ खाएंगे, कब तक ये चलता रहेगा. तो ये ऐसे वो मावड़ास को सारे बोलते हैं. और हमारे जो लोग हैं इन सुल्तान्स के बीच के फाइटिंग से वो मारे जा रहे हैं. एंड आल्सो द फैमिलीज आफ्टर फैमिलीज गेट्स uprooted. Our country suffers destruction, and what do we get out of all this? Nothing but slavery. Slavery means we are under anyone's rule, someone's rule. How long shall we continue to tolerate this? How long shall we lay down our lives for others? Shall we allow this to continue just for the sake of a small watan? What have you say? ऑल अबाउट दिस। वो पूछते हैं कि हम कब तक ये दूसरों के नीचे काम करेंगे, दूसरों ने दिया हुआ खाएंगे, दूसरों के लिए हम हमारी जान गंवाएंगे, ये कब तक हम चलते रहेगा, हमने क्या करना चाहिए, इसके लिए हमने कुछ करना चाहिए, ऐसे वो उस सारे मावड़ास को बोलते हैं। उसके बाद देखो क्या होता है। शिवाजी वॉज स्पीकिंग विथ ग्रेट इमोशन एंड हिज फेस वॉज रेड विथ एंगर। In this middle of his speech, he stopped and looked at his companions. तो उन्होंने ये बोल रहे थे, he is giving a speech over there, and वो वहाँ पे एक बार रुक गए थोड़ा सा और वो देख रहे थे, उनके जो फ्रेंड्स हैं मावड़ास थे उनके चेहरे को वो देख रहे थे। The young मावड़ास gathered there in the inner sanctum. Sanctum means we can say they are also having the same feeling about the other sultans of the sanctum of Raireshwar were greatly thrilled by Shivaji's speech. They also feeling like that only, what Shivaji is feeling. They had seen a new vision. One of them said, "Our young prince, tell us clearly whatever is in your mind. We are prepared, we are anxious to do your bidding." "Yes, Raji," they all said with one voice, "we are with you. We shall do whatever you say at the cost of our lives if need be." तो वो बोलते हैं कि we are with you, we are also we can say हम भी आपके साथ यही जो आप बोलेंगे वो हम करने को तैयार है। We are already prepared for anything or any situation. You tell us what to do, we will do that thing. Like this all Maulas are saying. Then see next point, the oath of Swaraj. Shivaji got fresh inspiration from their words. Looking at each one of them, he said, "Friends, our path is clear. We shall all strive to attain our ideal. Work for it till it is achieved. All should be ready even to sacrifice their lives for this ideal, which is हिंदवी स्वराज." तो वो बोलते हैं शिवाजी महाराज उनको कि our path is clear, and they were Shivaji also got the inspiration from the words of these all Maulas, and they said, "Friends, our path is clear, that we should strive to attain our ideal, work for it till it is achieved." मीन्स उनको क्या अचीव करना था, अपना खुद का स्वराज, अपना खुद का राज ऑल ओवर द महाराष्ट्र. सो दे सेड दैट so all should be ready even to sacrifice their lives for this ideal, which is Hindavi Swaraj. They want to establish in Maharashtra Hindavi Swaraj. We will have our own Raj, your and mine and everybody's. We refuse to live as slaves anymore. तो वो क्या बोलते हैं कि वी विल हैव आवर ओन राज, हमारा अपना रूल, अपना राज हम यहाँ पे क्या करेंगे, एस्टेब्लिश करेंगे. योर, माइन एंड एवरीबडीज, तुम्हारा, मेरा, सबका, अपने जो लोग हैं यहाँ पे उन सब का हम क्या करेंगे, स्वराज एस्टेब्लिश यहाँ पे करेंगे. सो लेट अस टेक दिस ओथ विथ लॉर्ड रायरेश्वर as witness. We gave ourselves completely to the great task of establishing our own Raj, that is Swaraj. ये चलो हम यहाँ पे क्या करेंगे, अभी शपथ लेंगे. ओथ मतलब we can say promise और we can say in हिंदी शपथ लेंगे यहाँ पे कि with the witness of Lord Shiva, Lord Raireshwar, we will take one oath that we give ourselves completely to the great task of establishing our own Raj, that is Swaraj. The temple echoed the words of Shivaji. God thinks that these kingdoms should take shape as Hindavi Swaraj. We shall see that God's wish is fulfilled. तो वहाँ पे वो लोग वहाँ पे शपथ लेते हैं कि भगवान ने ये सोचा है कि ये जो किंगडम है महाराष्ट्र, it will take a shape as Hindavi Swaraj, and we shall see that God's wish is fulfilled. So the Maulas left the temple and committed to the oath of freedom of Swaraj. and the mind of Shivaji was filled with great joy. As soon as he reached Pune, he went straight to Lal Mahal to see his mother. He described to her all that took place at Raireshwar. Overjoyed, Jijabai thought with satisfaction that Shivaji would accomplish what was always in her mind. तो ये सारी शपथ होने के बाद रायरेश्वर में तो वो वापस घर पे आए. When he come again, returned to Lal Mahal, he went to her mother Jijabai and he told everything which is happened in the टेम्पल ऑफ रायरेश्वर. और जीजाबाई इतनी खुश हो गई वहाँ से. वो जीजाबाई थॉट विथ सेटिस्फैक्शन दैट शिवाजी वुड अकम्प्लिश व्हाट वाज ऑलवेज इन हर माइंड. तो उनको लगा कि मेरे जो माइंड में चल रहा था तो शिवाजी ने वो वहाँ पे जाके डिसाइड कर लिया. एंड शी वॉज वेरी हैप्पी दैट माई ड्रीम विल कम ट्रू. सो this is there. This point we are going to see only in this lecture. Next we will see in the next lecture. So see this picture here. All Maulas are there and this is the Shivaji Maharaj who is taking the oath over there. So this much we are going to see in this lecture. In the next lecture we will see the next points. So thank you students. I am going to send you the meanings, hard word meanings. You have to write it in your notebook. Thank you.